Steve here, Shen RC. I just want to show you guys really quick how I clean my RCs after I run them. This is already clean. I showed you the pictures before this came on. And what I do is I first use my air compressor and I blow everything off. You do it real good like that. Then I get a brush, because I can't hold this, I'll just put it in here. I spray a little WD-40 in there. And on the Tamiya cars, I blot it out on something like that, so there's hardly not that much in it. Then I'll go like this and clean everything off, the plastic. Just like that on everything. Get in the parts. Again, like I said, I'm with one hand here, so I can't show you. You go all like this into everything, get a little coat of the oil on it, all the A-arms and stuff. Then when you're done with that, you get your compressor again, blow it all off. Top, inside, in the wheels get. If you have a compartment, take that off, blow it off. Blow all in here, around every crevice. Especially you want to blow out by the wheels in the front like this. And then from behind, you could spin up the tires and blow them clean. Also, you want to make sure, get off there, Fast Attack. You want to make sure you get all in the shocks and stuff, like the springs in there. It gets dirty. You want to clear that out. And all around the gearbox where the dog bones come out and the cups and everything. Around the motor. But anyhow, that's what I do. And you can see it looks much cleaner than the photo. So that's just a tip how I clean my RC cars, guys. And like I said, on the more basher type, like the Arrmas and stuff like that, that ain't delicate like these Tamiyas, you could coat the brush really good, or just spray the whole thing with it. After you blow it off, spray it all again with the WD-40, then blow the WD-40 off. And that's what I do on the bashers. Anyhow, guys, if you like the video, please leave me a thumbs up. I appreciate it as always. If you ain't subscribed, please subscribe. I appreciate it. Hit that bell so you don't miss my future videos. And Shen RC, we'll see you next time.